That's right. I just got the Samsung Galaxy Tab A7 Lite. And here it is, side by side to my phone's box, which I unboxed on the 12th of December, 2022. But since I'm so impatient, let's get to this. I may not be the best at unboxings. I certainly do not have scissors right now or a knife or something. So I'm just gonna... I'm like Trigger Zolt. You know that guy? On YouTube? Come on. Oh my. Come on, come on. Come on. Do it. Do it! I believe in you, me. Oh my. Okay, I managed to get the tape removed. Anyways, I want to witness this from my own eyes. At the same time, I don't have a setup or anything, so I'll be back. Okay, whatever that thing. Okay, anyways, I want to witness this with my own eyes, but I also want you to see, and I also want future me to see. So, let's. Oh my god. Oh my. Oh my. This is a genuine unboxing, by the way. Okay. We have that out of the way. Can't believe I'm saying that. It's so disrespectful. Okay. We have this right here. We have this right here. Man, was I just doing this? What? Anyways, we have this warranty card. And yeah. Quick start guide. Interesting. And we have the ejection tool. Okay, so we have that out of the way. Now let's... Ooh. We have the cable. Yo, radical. So weird. We have the charging brick. That's nice to see. Now let's just get everything else up. And there we have the tablet itself. Just kidding, this is just my old crappy Lenovo Tab E8 that cannot be updated at all. And it was not the best tablet, and yeah. But goodbye. Anyways, let me open this myself. I don't care if future me or you even can't see it. I'm a narcissist. I want to see this myself. Okay, so let's just... How do you open this? Oh. It's like, do you like pull something? Ah, I see. You pull this like little tab of a thing. Bro, cameras like really exist. Oh my. Okay. We have the so you just do that. Please tell me I'm doing it right. Oh my. Okay, so I'm scared to do this. I don't want to break it. Why? I'm not a masculine man. Okay, it's set up and everything. I've basically think I didn't record some of it, and maybe like the stupid pause function while it's recording. Anyways, this is anyways. See you guys later. Bye. So I've had this tablet for about 9 days or so now. And first thing I want to talk about right now is the different variants. So you of course do get two different colors, gray and white. I just got the gray version. Mine has 3 gigabytes of RAM, 32 gigabytes of storage, and Wi-Fi only. which is $249 in Australia, $250, and we also have a $350 version, which is the same thing, but you also get 4G cellular connectivity. You also do get another version which is also 350, which is 4 gigabytes of RAM, 64 gigabytes of storage, but Wi-Fi only. You get a MediaTek Helio P22T octa-core, 8 megapixel as the single camera, and 2 megapixel as the front camera. The battery is 5100 milliamp hour, and 8.7-inch display, 1340 by 800, 60 hertz. Now, moving around, as you can see with the performance, it's pretty smooth, but it can get laggy sometimes, especially when opening the quick settings. And I will blur this just as a reminder for myself to blur this. And sometimes it can be fast, this quick setting scrolling, that's what I'm talking about. And sometimes it can be slow. Now, if you want a gaming video, sorry, I cannot provide that footage, but you could search it online, some gaming footage on the Tab A7 Lite. Now, I will remind myself to blur all of this out again, but as you can see, it's pretty normal when it comes to scrolling, and it does have a 720p display, and the 720p display of it is not the best. You can't see it, you can't really see it from the camera, but it is nothing compared to my phone at all. Just watching YouTube videos and just looking at around the UI and reading text, it is not the best, but it is fine. And for a tablet as cheap as this, you should be grateful for what you're getting. The screen resolution is 1340 by 800, so technically it is 800p and not 720p, but it's still not the best. You do get a TFT panel. I'm not sure what it means, but if you need that information, it is there. In terms of the software, we have Android 13 right now, and it came with Android 11, so since Samsung offers 3 years of software upgrades on the cheaper devices, you should get up to Android 14, and since they offer 5 years of support, you should get support and security updates until 2026. Something I forgot to tell you is that this does not work with S Pen. But anyways, the audio on this is just amazing. You won't be able to hear it great with the phone mic. But anyways, it goes all around the room, and it's just amazing. Even though it's a budget tablet, the speakers are great, and it does have Dolby Atmos. I'm not sure what it means anymore, but if you want that information, that is right there for you. So let's just hear a quick sample.
Are you running an unsupported version of Windows, like Windows 8.1 or Windows 7? If so, you may benefit from upgrading to Windows 10. Here's how to do just that. Okay, so you want to know if you meet the Windows 10 system requirements, which I'll leave to a link in the description.
So you can see it is pretty loud. I'm not sure if you can hear it with the phone mic, but it is pretty loud and cool. And it's pretty nice because you can also lower the volume, which makes it a lot more quiet, and then you can make it a lot more loud. So it really adjusts to any. As you can see, these are a few photos that I took with the camera, and you can tell it's not the best camera. There's one that is the front camera, and one that is the actual camera. So I would not recommend buying this tablet if you want a good camera, but I would recommend buying this tablet for most people, to be honest. And it does fit in your pocket because of the 8-inch size. So that's all for today, and I will see you guys later. Bye.